Good evening, all you, every one of you. Last class, what we have discussed?
So we discussed about the dot product.
We discussed dot product, right? We discussed dot product, isn't it? Yes or no, people?
Yes,
And
sir.
I just dot product and angle between two vectors. That was very important thing, right? So what was the formula for that? What was the formula for that? A dot B, A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B to cos theta, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many have you done? I mean, like, how many have you revised? How many have you revised that? People, are you here or not? Yes. Have you revised or not? I'm asking. Come on.
Revise, sir.
Good. So I'll give the questions to you all now. Everyone solve this question. The question is, they can find the angle between is equal to I cap 2I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap and B vector.
Sir, you're not sharing the screen, sir.
I'm sorry. Yes. 6I minus 3J plus 2K. So the second question is vector A is equal to 3I plus 2J minus 6K and B vector is equal to 4I minus 3J plus K. All right. So what is the angle between these two vectors? What is the angle between two vectors? Speaker, are you here? Speaker. Speaker, I asked you to go through the recording.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through?
No, sir, not yet.
Why?
Can't find them, sir. Exactly.
Sorry? I didn't get you.
Can't find them in the recording, sir.
You can't find it out. Did you get an access?
Sir, access for what?
For Google Classroom. Did you get an access for Google Classroom and all?
Yes, sir.
So in that I have uploaded everything. If you go through that, you will understand and you will get it. Please make sure that you are finding it out. Take a help of Rahul sir or Lakshmi ma'am. She will help you. Shirisha ma'am, not help you. Okay? Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What is the angle between formula? Vector A dot vector B. What was the formula? Magnitude of B into cos theta. What is the magnitude of A here? What is the magnitude of A? What we need to find out angle between, right? Cos theta is equal to what? Vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of A to magnitude of B. So A dot B. What is A here? 2I plus 2J minus K upon magnitude of A dot magnitude of B. Magnitude of A is what? What is magnitude of A? So 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. Magnitude of B is what? 6 square plus 2 square. Okay, so multiply the coefficients. 2 into 6, 12 minus 6 minus 2, isn't it? upon 4, 4, 8, 9. 9 into 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9, how much?
47.
45, 47,
See,
right?
49, sir.
49, which gives you what? Now 4 upon 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Isn't it? So 4 upon 21. How many of you got this? Understood or not, guys? This is the angle between these two vectors. Now
Yes,
this is a
sir.
cos theta value. This is a cos theta value. Cos theta value. Angle is nothing but theta. So which is nothing but what? Cos inverse of 4 upon 21. All right. Any doubts? Very simple thing. Is it clear, people? Yes or no? Children, is it clear
Clear,
with
sir.
you? Speaker, is it clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Adesha, Ritvik, Disha. Is it clear with you all? Great. Shall we
Yes,
go
sir.
for the next one? Can you please tell me the answer quickly? Now, without even writing the formula, without even writing, I mean, like without even calculating anything. So, what is this? 3 fourths 12 minus 6 upon 9. So, whatever it is, we don't care actually. See, look at this here. 12 minus 12, how much? 0. 0 upon something is always 0, right? 0 upon something. We don't care actually, but 0 upon something, guys, it's 0, right? So what is the magnitude of a? 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 36, how much? 49. And here also 16, 25, 26. Isn't it? This is what I got here, people, isn't it? So 0 upon this, root 49 into root 49 into 26. So which
So
is
90
nothing.
degrees.
0 is cos theta is equal to 0 now. Cos theta is equal to 0 degrees. And now what is theta now? Theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. Now cos inverse of 0, right? हाँ, if you आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो देखो, look at this. So cos theta is equal to, when cos 90 is 0, right? Isn't it? So theta is what now? 90 degrees. I can just take, I can remove cos on both sides, or else you can just remove the cos on both sides. I can get 90 degrees like this. Or else if you want to solve like this, you can solve it like this as well. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of 0 degrees. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 0 is nothing but what? Cos 0 is nothing but what? Cos 90, right? So cos inverse and cos always will get cancelled. So which can be written as what? 90 degrees. This is also correct. Clear? Or okay. So what is the theta now? 90 degrees. Is it clear? Yes or
Yes,
no,
sir.
people? Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Speaker?
Clear, sir.
Speaker, is it clear? Have you done with this topic? What is the solution you got now? Theta is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is nothing but what now? Theta is 90 degrees is nothing but what? What kind of vectors are they? Vector A is perpendicular to vector B. Can I say? Hello? Vector A and perpendicular to vector B actually. Yes, in last class I told you that Disha, what is vector I into J and vector I into I kya hota hai? What happens? This is 1, this is what? 0. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why they are 0? Why? Because they are perpendicular. Perpendicular is nothing but what? Theta is 90. So if I substitute 90, what happens? Of course 0, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's how it will be. All right. So what kind of vectors are now? What kind of vectors are these? Vector A and vector B are what? 90 degrees, and they are perpendicular to each other. I mean, theta is angle is 90 degrees. Since and the angle is 90, they are perpendicular to each other. Hope it is clear. Now I'm just going to write few important note. Look at this here. So first, if a vector dot b vector is greater than 0, then angle between them is acute angle. Sir, we know that if theta, I mean something less than 0 is nothing but what? Less than 90 is acute, right? Here ulta hota hai. Here it happens ulta. If vector A or vector B, if it is less than 0, then angle between them is what? obtuse angle. All right. If at all they are 0, then of course what is angle? What happens? Angle between?
90 degrees, sir.
Very
Right
good.
angle.
Very simple, right angle. Clear? So remember, these are very important. If less than 0, it is going to mean greater than 0, acute. Less than 0, obtuse. Equal to 0, 90 degrees. Here, like, it will be completely opposite. So what we used to learn from the lines and angles, from the triangles, if theta is less than 0, that is acute angle, right? Here, that is not the case here. If it is greater than 0, that is going to be acute. If it is less than 0, that is going to be obtuse. If it is equal to 0, that is going to be 90 degrees. That's how it happens here. Clear? Hope it is clear. All right. Any doubts? All right.
No, sir, no doubts.
Very good. Now, next, Srikar. Are you able to understand, Srikar?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Sure, sir.
Very good. Please, I would like to remind you that please go through the lectures regarding lectures so that you will be clear with this. Okay? Clear? Now we'll look at this. Now we'll talk about one more point. Modulus of, magnitude of a plus b whole square. What happens? Same thing. Look at this. This is nothing but vector a plus b dot plus b. Okay. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Vector a into a. Normal algebraic calculation. Vector a into a is what? Modulus of a, magnitude of a square, and vector a into b. What happens? Vector a into b. What happens? This happens like vector a dot vector b. This into this what? Plus b dot a. This into this what? Modulus of, magnitude of b square. Now look at this here. How many of you know this, that magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector plus, now look at this, guys. A dot b plus b dot a both are same or not? I told you in last class. Yes or no?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
a dot b is equal to b dot a, isn't it? So now can I write 2 times of a dot b? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now since in bracket you can write this. Since b dot a. Clear?
Formula, sir. A plus b whole square formula.
All right, a plus b whole square formula type of thing. Clear? Hope it is clear. So what happens now, whenever you get magnitude of a plus b vector, magnitude of a plus b whole square, this is nothing but this is what you get it. Clear? Now if I talk about, guys, I'm just drawing a line on the vector, right? There is nothing but, please, there's a vector, please, there's an arrow mark, please try to understand that. You may you write it as arrow mark. Okay. What happens if at all, this is the case like this? Okay. So a rotated, what happens here? Magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector plus magnitude of c vector plus 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, like a plus b whole square formula, a plus b plus c whole square formula, isn't it? People, how many of you got this?
Yes, sir. I know this
Very
one.
simple.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve a question based upon this. Very simple, guys. We'll just move into the questions. Okay, if vector a is equal to 3, vector b is equal to 1, vector c is equal to 4, and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. What is the answer of this? Is it clear? Like, this is a JE type of question. So option A minus 11, option B minus 10, option C 11, option D minus 13. So this is what the case here. So how can I find it out, guys? How can I find this? Very simple, yeah, very simple. Look at this. Let me teach you this. What is the formula we had? Whole square is nothing but what? Magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Isn't it? Now he has given what? A plus b plus c is equal to 0 given. Look at this. So substitute here 0 square. Isn't it? So now this fully becomes what is equal to 0. Can I write like this? Isn't it, people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now I can write like this, right? Now this is equal to this, and this is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. 0 square is equal to 0, isn't it? Now what can I do now? Very simple, very simple. Substitute modulus of a square is 3 square 9 plus b square 1 plus, oh sorry, c square I forgot. No one is telling. No one is telling and no one is saying anything, guys. I just forgot c square here. Okay, now c square how much? 16 plus 2 times of a dot b. Now tell me what is the answer of this? That is what I need to find out, isn't it? That is what we need to find out. Look at this here. That is what we have to find out. So let us consider this as I'm taking anything k. Okay? Let is equal to k. Any doubt? Or else if you don't want to take k, let it be as it is. Okay, I don't want to write I know that thing again and again. So 2k is equal to what? So 17 minus 26, answer is equal to minus 13. Very good. Very good, Alisha. Is it clear? Hope it is clear to every one of you. Any doubts here?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what
Clear,
is
sir.
what is the shortcut? What is the shortcut here? That is a shortcut. Look, very simple. With the mind calculation you can do and all. All right. So need not to waste much time here. Okay. Hope it is clear. Now next question is what? This is the next question. Now next question is like if a comma b comma c are unit vectors such that a is perpendicular to b. What is this symbol? Perpendicular. Perpendicular to b and c vector, and angle between b and c is pi by 3. Then find a plus b plus c is equal to how much? Make it fast. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Guys, I shared worksheet. How many have you done the worksheet? Okay, I will discuss about. I will be posting the worksheet. One more worksheet. Please do solve that. Yes, everyone solve this question. Look at what he has given here. Let me give a hint. A, B, C are unit vectors such that A is perpendicular to B. A is perpendicular to B is nothing but what? A is perpendicular to B is nothing but what? Perpendicular to B and C. A is perpendicular to B is nothing but what? A dot B is equal to 0 and A dot C is equal to 0. Is it clear? Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Now solve it. Angle between B and C is given what? So angle between B and C given B dot C by magnitude of B magnitude of C is equal to cos theta, right?
So how the formula you are writing, sir? Angle between B and C is given this much, which is nothing but B dot C is nothing but magnitude of B, magnitude of C, cos theta. Okay, so cos theta is equal to B dot C upon magnitude of B, magnitude of C. Okay, solve it. And what I need here, I need A plus B plus C, right? I need this one. We know this formula. What formula we know here? Magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square plus 2 times of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay, so magnitude of A is what here? What is magnitude of A? What is magnitude of A here? Tell me. Hello, ABC are unit vectors. They are unit vectors, guys. ABC are unit vectors here. What is the answer? Unit vectors. So A square is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 times of A dot B is 0. Plus B dot C is what now? B dot C is what? We have to find it out. B dot C, how can I find it out? B dot C is equal to what? Cos theta into magnitude of B into magnitude of C. Guys, are you able to understand what I'm trying to say here? Hello, people?
Yes, sir.
So B dot C is nothing but cos theta. Theta how much given? Pi by 3. So magnitude of B 1 into 1. Okay? Now look at it here. B dot C is equal cos 60 how much? Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2. Right? So B dot C is what now? 1 by 2. Hope it is clear. Isn't it? So what would I get here? 2 will get cancelled. What is the answer now? What's the answer?
Four.
Guys, I think we made a mistake. We made a mistake. Let's see how many of you do this correctly. We made a mistake here. Let's see how many of you do this correctly. How many of you do this answer correctly? Look at it here. 2 times of 0. B dot C how much? 1 by 2 plus 0. So 4. This will get. So 4 I'll get. He is asking for what? He's asking for what? He's asking for A plus B plus C.
2, sir.
Answer is 2. B is correct. Any doubts? Guys, how did I find it out here? Look at the question, the language of the question, try to understand. Clear? Any doubts here? Srika,
No, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay. They are playing songs. Hey, close the door here. They close the door. Close it. Yes. Chalo. Understood, guys? Understood or not? Any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
People, angle between B and C given is nothing but what? So I'm writing angle between, in terms of B and C, I'm writing this one. So he has given theta value here. Given theta. Substituting there, getting the answer. Clear? Hope it is clear to every one of you. Isn't it? Chalo, next question.
Please listen to me carefully. Now, next concept. Projection of a vector on another vector. What do you mean by this? What is the funda of this? Guys, look at you have two vectors like this, vector A and vector B. All right, you are getting, see, you are getting a focus on this. You are getting a light on this. So let's say that you are getting a light here. So what happens? I'm getting a projection like this, making 90 degrees. And you know, whatever the light you are getting at the projection of that, you know, I'm just getting a shadow. You consider that as shadow. Okay. So this is a light. I'm getting a shadow down. Okay. I'm just giving you like, let me consider this as A, B, and C. Okay. All right. This is my vector A. Okay. Let's say this is a vector. I'm getting a light here from there. Like this is my A vector. This is B vector. All right. Here A vector. This is A vector. जो भी है, this is A vector. ठीक है. This is my B vector. Clear? This is my B vector. Okay. Look at this. What is the guys? Look at this. What happens here? Story kya hai there? What is the story? Projection of a vector. Another vector is nothing but whatever the light you get here. They know there is a light, right? Projection of that light. You know, iska shadow hai na. ये जो ये भी बन रही है ना. Whatever ये भी you are getting, that is what projection of a vector on another vector. Projection of a vector on another vector is nothing but what the AB. Whatever the AB you are framing, that is what nothing but projection of a vector on another vector. Clear? I'm just giving you an example by using that light. Okay. I will solve the question. Guys, you try to understand the concept. Whatever the concept, just try to understand. Projection is nothing but Joby, whatever the light, I'm just whatever the light you are focusing from top of the sea. If you just focus a light, what happens? Whatever the whatever the light you get here, so what the projection of that you get here. Okay, so whatever the AB you have here, that is what projection of a vector on another vector. Hope it is clear. Now look at this. Now, whatever the AB, that is what called as projection. What is this here? What this is, of course, theta. This is prota. Whatever you have, guys, look at it. This is what your projection. Okay. Fine. Now look at this. Guys, what is AB here? What is AB here? AB is what? A cos theta. Guys, this is my A cos theta. What is this vertical? This is my A sin theta. Okay, guys, the vertical projection would be always the whatever I took, that would be sin theta. Whatever the horizontal, this is there. The horizontal thing is A cos theta, and the vertical BC is there, right? That is A sin theta. Now, what is the angle? Guys, I need what? I need AB, right? Then of course I'll be taking A cos theta only, right? Whatever the vertical you have, that will be always sin theta. Whatever the horizontal you have, that will be A cos theta. All right. So my answer is what now? A cos theta. Guys, now many of you might be thinking that what is the relation between the dot product and this one? What is the relation between dot product and projection? Many of you might be thinking, what is the reason? What is the relation? Look at this. AB is equal to, guys, look at this here. Let me tell you what is the reason. Guys, what I had took here, AB is equal to what? A cos theta we took. Now guys, if I just multiply and divide with the B on both, I mean in the numerator and denominator, what happens? What happens? Guys, what happens here? Magnitude of the curve here, A, B, look at this here, magnitude of, if you just take a A dot B vector upon magnitude of B, isn't it? Now look
Yes,
at this.
sir.
Guys, what happens? What is this? This is a dot product. What? Over B. Dot product over B, can I write? This is a dot product over B. All right. Guys, projection of a vector on another vector. He's saying projection of vector on another vector. Guys, look at projection of a vector. Which vector? Projection of vector on another vector. That is what dot product on B here. Dot product on B. Clear? That is what the meaning of the the title. Is it clear with every one of you? Guys, are you able to understand here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is what let me write everything perfectly, guys. So this is what they just roughly we wrote. Let me tell you, let me write it perfectly mathematically. So let us write projection of A on B. Projection of vector A on B. What mathematically if I write so, look at this here. Projection of, guys, whatever I wrote here for your understanding, please, if you want to write that, you can write as well, but technically you have to write like this. Projection of A on B is what happens? A vector on what? B is nothing but what? A vector B cap, so cos theta. So which is nothing but what? Yeah, on what? B, right? So I'm just on whatever the vector on. I'm just writing that I'm just denoting with a cap. Okay. So now look at this. This can be written as what? Magnitude of A cos theta. Okay. Similarly, if I write so, projection of B on A. Similarly, projection of B on A, what happens? Is equal to B on what? A vector. How I just write this? Vector magnitude of vector E on vector A cap cos theta. So this is what happens. This is what projection of B vector on A vector. This is a projection of vector A vector on B vector. This is a B vector on A vector. Clear? Guys, look at this here. Now this is the diagram. You can just write this. This is the diagram you can. This is the diagram you can draw here. Is it clear with every one of you? This is a B vector. This is A vector. And I have just I just given you the light example. आप ऊपर से light मार रहे हो ऐसा, ठीक है? If you are just focusing a light from this, whatever the shadow, whatever you say, the shadow, the projection happens like this. That projection, that AB, whatever the distance you have AB, this, whatever you have this, whatever you have this one, look at this. Whatever you have that, this, whatever you have this, look at this. That is my projection. Okay. All right. Yes. Guys, what is this? Nothing but. What is this? Nothing but. All right, guys, look at this here, and this can be written as. आपको ऐसा confusion हो रहा है तो what can I write like this? Or this simply I can write this or what? A. Here, let me write here. Let me write here. Here A dot. I mean A vector dot B cap he has given, right? This also can be written as what? A dot B on what? Magnitude of B. So look at this here. What happens? B and this B together gives you what? Cap. That's it. B and B gives you what? Cap. Clear? समझ रहे आपको? Yes or no, people? And here also same. Look at this here. B and A upon magnitude of A. So this together gives you what? A cap. Clear? So and guys, look at this here. A dot B. Still you have A dot B only here. Still you have A dot B only. Magnitude of A. Like this. This also correct way of writing. Clear? Magnitude of B on A, right? On A. Whatever on you have, that will be comes in the denominator. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Guys, look at this. Now we'll solve a question. Aapko, like we'll get an idea, exact idea. All right. So find the projection of the vector
A is equal to minus 2j cap plus k cap on the vector four j cap plus 7k cap, and also find the component vector of Devanshika. Are you able to understand? Vector along B vector. Okay, this is what the question. So options, let me give the options. So 19 by 9, 4i minus 4j plus 7k. Option B, 19 by 9, 4i plus 4j minus 7k. Option C, 19 by 81, 4i minus 4j plus 7k. Is it clear? Option D, 19 by 81, 4i cap plus 4j cap minus 7k cap. Yes, tell me. Find the projection of a vector A on this vector. Projection of A on B. Also find the component of vector A along B. Make it fast. Very simple. Projection of A and B. Projection of A and B. What is that? Guys, projection of A and B. What is the formula I told you? Very simple, right? Projection of A on B can be written as what? A dot B upon B. This is a formula I told you. Isn't it, people? Hello, A dot B is what now? A dot B. A dot B is what? 1 into 4. 4 minus 8 plus 7 upon magnitude of B. Square root of 4 square plus square root of minus 4 whole square plus 7 square. How much? 11 minus 3. 16 is 32. 32 plus 49. 16, 32. 32 plus 49, how much? 50, 81, right? So 3 upon 9. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Oh my God, here plus, I think. Plus, I think I have made a mistake. Guys, minus into minus plus. So here I just look at it here, 19. My bad. Guys, 4 plus 8 plus 7. So 19 by 9 you get. 19 by 9 you get. 19 by 9, whichever the option is giving you. This option got deleted now. Guys, option C and D got deleted. Either option can be A or B. Check it out. Guys, look at this, what he is giving, and also find, look at this here. Also find the component vector of, A along B. A along B is nothing but B cap. Okay, I found, look at this here, component vector of A along B is nothing but what? Nothing but what? Guys, then we just didn't read the question fully. Guys, option A and B not possible here. Option it could be C or D. How come it is possible whether it's a C or D? Tell me. Question, read the question properly. Along B has given, right? Along B has given. So A dot B. So I got this one. So it can be along with B cap. Along with the B cap. Okay. So what is going to be happen now? What is going to happen? B cap is nothing but what I told you. B cap is nothing but what? B upon magnitude of B. B cap is nothing but B vector. Hello. B vector upon, like, look, let me write here. B vector upon magnitude of B. So 19 by 9 and B vector. What is the B vector? 4 I cap minus 4j cap plus 7k cap upon magnitude of B. Magnitude of B how much? Magnitude of B how much? 49 plus 32, 81. So 81, square root of 81. So 19 by 9 upon 4i cap minus 4j cap plus 7k cap upon 9. Okay. So 19 by 81. 4i cap minus 4j cap plus 7k cap 9. 4 minus 4 plus 7. Option C is correct here. Any doubts? Any doubts, children?
No, sir.
Guys, simply you can say that along with the B. Yeah, I wrote vector B as it is here. Then which of the options giving you 19 by 81? Option D is not at all possible. It will be option C only. Guys, here whatever I wrote here, what is nothing but, what is this number? Projection into B cap. That is what I have done. Projection, whatever I have done here, projection on A, right? Whatever the projection I got here, that into B cap. So B cap is nothing but what? B upon magnitude of B. Look at this here. Like this, like this. B upon magnitude of B gives you B cap. You understand, people? This can be written as like this. Hello. A vector B cap can be written as vector A into this B cap, right? B vector upon magnitude of B. This is what? This is how it happens. Isn't it, people? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no, children? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now this is what my answer is going to be now. Option D. Clear? Next question. Shall we go for the next one? Now, if vector A j cap root 3k cap and vector B gives you minus j plus root 3k cap, C vector gives you minus 2 root 3k cap. Find the internal angle of triangle. Make it fast. Guys, Abu, the question which we have solved earlier, how many of you understood that? Is it clear with every one of you? Shrikar, Adyaksha, Disha, Devanshika, Pravalika. Make it fast. Let's look at it. First, let us, is talking about triangle, right? Internal angle of triangle. So let us draw the triangle first. Let us draw the triangle. Look at this. What he has given vector A. Vector A, you have something like this, and this is moving. Vector B is like this, and the vector C is like this. This is how you got. Is it clear? Yes or no? Yeah. So look at this. Tell me now. Guys, if I just add vector A and vector B, what you are getting? People tell me, guys, observe this properly here. Vector A is given here. Vector B is given like this one. And what is, if I add vector A plus vector B gives you what? Tell me, come on. Negative of C or not? Hello? Add this. You can check it out. You can check it out. Guys, by using triangle, if I am adding two vectors, then if I'm adding two vectors, the resultant vector, whichever is going to be, that is going to be in opposite direction by using triangle law. Guys, look at this here. Sir, then why did you take all are in same direction? Look at this. Everything is in the same direction. A, B, C are in same direction. Why did you take in the same direction? Why did you take in same direction? And you are saying that A plus B is equal to negative of C, right? Then why can't you take? Why can't you take that is in opposite direction? Guys, look at this here. If you add like A plus B plus C gives you what? Add all this. J plus root 3k cap. What is B here? Minus J plus root 3k cap minus 2 root 3k cap. Look at this here. Plus J minus J will get cancelled. And K root 3k cap, root 3k cap, 2 times of root 3k cap. This will get cancelled. So everything, I'm getting 0, right? Summation of A, B, C gives me 0. So that should be in the same direction, right? Yes or no, people? If I'm having 0 here, if I'm getting 0, that should be the same direction. That is the reason I'm taking all the vectors in the same direction. That is the reason I'm taking all the vectors in the same direction. Hope it is clear to every one of you. Now, what happens now? Now angle between, what he's asking for, he's asking for like an angle between A and B is what? Now if I just enlarge this, if I extend this, Ritik, are you able to understand, Ritik?
Yes, sir.
He's asking for angle between A and B. He's asking for theta here. All right. Tell me what is guys, he's asking for A and B, right? He's asking for A and B. Now what this is going to be? What this one is going to be? Hello, guys, this fully, right? This fully what gives you 180. All right. This fully gives you, this full angle gives you 180. Now this angle is theta. Then what is this going to be? Pi minus theta. Do you agree with my point? Guys, now if it is a vector and this also going to be a vector, right? I'm just enlarging it. I'm just extending that. That is also a vector only, right? Guys, look at this. I told you that this is vertical. I mean, there is a horizontal. What is this going to be? Now we need to find out what. This is also a vector, right? Now cos of which angle? Cos of what angle? Cos of pi minus theta is going to be what? Guys, I'm going to find out cos of pi minus theta here. Why pi minus theta? Why? Because I'm just like, why pi minus theta? This is theta, means this is going to be pi minus theta only, right? Hope it is clear. What is pi cos theta value? Magnitude of, I mean, vector A
Minus cos theta.
Vector A, vector A dot vector B upon what? Magnitude of. Guys, we need to find now cos theta. What is A dot B? What is A dot B? What is A dot B? Check it out, A dot B. What is A dot B? From the question, guys. A dot B. Minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 3. Isn't it? What is the magnitude of A? 1 plus 3. Root 4. Dot root. This is also going to be root 4. Isn't it, people? So what is going to be 2 by 2 into 2? So 1 by 2. Cos how much I get? How much I get? So cos pi minus theta, how much? Cos pi minus theta, 180 minus theta, second quadrant, which gives you what? Minus cos theta. So minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 I got. Now minus cos theta is equal to half is nothing but what? Cos theta is equal to simple si baat, minus 1 by 2. Isn't it? Now cos theta is equal to minus half. It should be in which quadrant? It should be either in the second quadrant or, guys, it is a minus half. Guys, it is cos theta is negative. Cos theta is negative in which quadrant? Cos theta is positive in the first quadrant and third quadrant. I mean, like fourth quadrant. It can answer can be in second and third quadrant. Are you guys able to imagine here?
Are you guys able to imagine what I'm trying to say? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Here, the common sense. Why I took everything in the same direction? Why I took everything in the same direction? Huh? Because every like summation of all the vectors giving me 0. That is the reason. Now look at it, if it is this a theta, he is talking about what angle between A and B, right? So if I take this as a theta, this gives me what? Pi minus theta. He's asking internal angle of the internal angle. Find the internal angle of the triangle. All right. Now cos pi minus theta gives me what? This is a formula as per the dot product formula, major formula. A dot B gives you what? Minus 1 plus 3 upon magnitude of A, root 4 magnitude of B, root 4. Root 4 into root 4 gives me what? Root 4 into root 4 gives me what? Simple 4. All right. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 will get cancelled 1 by 2. So cos theta is what? 1 by 2. Cos theta is 1 by 2 is nothing but what? Cos theta. So minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but what? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, of course. Now cos theta, I got negative angle here. Now cos theta, look at it here. Cos theta is negative in which quadrant? Cos theta is negative in second and third quadrant. How many of you understood this, guys? Guys, all silver teacups. First quadrant all positive. Second quadrant what? Cos negative. Third quadrant cos negative. Fourth quadrant cos positive. Now look at this is 0, 2 pi. This is pi by 2, 90. This is what? Pi. This is 3 pi by 2. So my answer should be lies between what? 90 and
270.
So my answer should be lies between, we got negative, right? Negative which quadrant now? My answer should be either second quadrant or third quadrant. My answer should lie between 90 and 270. Which option is giving between 90 and 60? Not possible. 270 and this how much? None, not possible. He has given 270. Is it possible 270? No. Our angle should be between 90 and 270, but not 270. So this also not possible. Option is what? Option is what? 120. 120 lies between 90 and 270 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, people? Guys, are you
Yes,
able to
sir.
imagine here? Hello, guys. Adesha,
Yes, sir.
is it an interesting question? Such a very good question, actually.
Yes, sir.
Very good question. Oh, wait a minute. Very good question. Please try to understand what exactly he's talking about here. So here direction and all, like, very important. You have to imagine here the first and foremost thing, the first and foremost thing you need to understand from this question is what? A and B, right? A and B. So all are in the same direction, which means summation of all this vector. If I add all this vector, I'm getting 0, which means they are in the same direction. They are in the same direction. If at all I'm getting, like, after getting A plus B plus C, if I'm getting something like, except 0, then that would have been a different case. But I'm getting summation of all these vectors, I'm getting 0, which means they are in the same direction. He's asking internal angle between A and B. So if it is theta, we know that this is a theta. All right. If it is theta, this is going to be pi minus theta. So pi minus theta is nothing but what? Cos theta is nothing but, this is a formula. As per the formula. So magnitude of A, I mean, A dot B gives me what? A dot B is what? Minus 1 plus 3. I solved that. Cos theta negative. I got cos theta negative in second and third quadrant. So between, which means what? Its angle should be 90, between 90 and 270, but not equal to 90 and 270. Between, बीच में होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So बीच में कौन सा होगा इधर? 270, I mean, like 120. This is 120, right? This is 120 degrees. Hope it is clear to every one of you. So this is what the today's class is all about. Any doubts, people? Tell me. Make it fast. Guys, any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Hope it is clear. So please, Pravalika, any doubt, Pravalika? Hello. Pravalika, any doubts? Are you
No,
listening? Okay. Devanshika, what about you?
No, sir, no doubts.
Good. Srikar,
No, sir.
Ritvik. Good. Understood, right? Srikar,
No, sir.
are you able to understand Srikar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ritvik and Devanshika, I'll let you know the timings, please. Okay. Thank you, children. You can leave the
Sir,
session
what
now.
about the IP class?
Wait, Ritvik. That's what I told. Please wait. I'll tell you. Okay. So you may leave now. So yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children. Yeah, wait, Ritvik. Ritvik and Devanshika, just a minute. Thank you for now. I mean, bye for now. I'll let you know the timings. Thank you.